What's up guys, it's djb. Today we're here with a tech review of the Soundcore by Anker Life Q20 headphones. So these amazing headphones have noise cancellation, Bluetooth 5.0, amazing sound quality, and much more. So I've had these headphones for a long while. I've had these since July 2nd, and I've done many streams, as well as some YouTube videos as well with these headphones. And I am not disappointed by these whatsoever. Like, I am quite amazed with these. Like, the quality of these as well as the value that you get with these are pretty darn nice. The ear cups are very soft, very comfortable, especially for long use when it comes to like playing games or listening to music for long periods of time, etc. To mention that, the battery life on these, holy crap. So these are rated at roughly 40 hours of wireless use, which I can definitely attest to say that's highly correct. Now, I've streamed again multiple times using these, especially since I got them. I don't have an exact like time range of like how many hours that I've streamed, but I usually stream 4 to 5 hours each stream. And from the 2nd up until the 17th, these had not died until the 17th. And again, that was with multiple uses of streams, a couple of times using them in some videos, for example, but these did not die. And I charged them right up, and again, I haven't had them die since because I'm pretty good at charging things, you know, kind of upon knowing that, all right, it's kind of close to when it might die. Besides, like when you turn these on, you actually get a nice indication that what level the battery is. For example, battery high, battery medium, battery low. As for the noise cancellation regarding these headphones, now you do have the option to turn it off or on. The noise canceling is quite good. Now, I don't have much experience with noise cancellation earphones or headphones, to be honest, so I don't have much to compare them with, like the Bose headphones, for example. You know, a lot of things that have those nowadays, such as even the Apple AirPod Pros. But I will say, there were times that my wife scared the absolute crap out of me wearing these during like a stream, for example. Like, she touched me and I literally would like freak the hell out. These work quite well where you can hear things like in your background. All right, this is how they look like on my head. Now, these are of course adjustable, like if you have a bigger head. Some people got huge heads, okay? But these are, again, very comfortable. Cuffs the ears quite nice, and I don't have like the biggest or smallest ears in the world, but these are very comfortable and they really secure like your ears within, especially for the noise cancellation perspective of things. Like this, like it's kind of hard for me to hear right now. Like I may be talking a little too loud, but again, these are very comfortable and very stylish even. Like, it's a great color. The cups are labeled with L and R. Maybe hard to tell with the lighting, and it does appear here as well inside. It's the right ear cuff, and here's the left. So we have the noise cancellation button here, the power button, as well as the volume adjuster, and we have the micro USB port as well as the aux jack. The top cushion is quite plush as well, and again, very comfortable. Just the same material as the ear cuffs themselves. I will say the ear cuffs do move around quite a lot, but when they're on your head and on your ears, like, they don't move around as much as this, but they're very like versatile. Now, they only go one way, like out and then in, but I guess that is like the one, like, I won't call it jank because it's not jank. Like, it's definitely like nicely designed and created, but I would say that's like the weakest point or the plastic cheap part, like portion of the headphones. Like, but again, it's not a complaint, it's just more of like I'm being open and honest with you guys about that area. Now, I did get these headphones when they were a little bit on sale. I'm not too sure, it was like a $10 off sale. They were $54.99 from Amazon. So these do have an aux jack for being able to connect directly into a device, especially if you don't want to use those wirelessly, you know, to save battery, for example. Included in the box, it does have a micro USB cable, which is used to charge this device, including a travel pouch, which I'm not exactly sure where it is. Maybe still in the box. Yep. I don't really take these anywhere outside literally my basement. I actually never took these out anywhere. So yeah, this is the traveling pouch. So it's like a plasticky, you know, like leathery looking pouch. Has a nice little Soundcore label there. Feels nice. Again, it has a little tie for you to be able to close it like so. Yeah, again, I really have no reason to take these away from the house. I usually would just take my AirPods at that point. But again, this is a very nice touch to have in the box. Now, I can't really go too much into the details with like the decibel levels and etc. Like, I honestly not too familiar with that type of detail, I would say. But I can honestly tell you that these are highly recommended. They are a great bang for your buck. You know, it's not gonna break the bank. Again, they're very comfortable. The sound quality is honestly amazing as well. Even with utilizing Bluetooth, noise cancellation is quite good. Like, I'm not complaining about it whatsoever again. And it works quite the same with being directly connected as well as wirelessly. Now, right now, you can get these on Amazon for $64.99. I will have an Amazon affiliate link in the description below if you're interested in this item, and it will, of course, support the channel with you utilizing that link to make the purchase. So if you have any more questions, like real life questions about these headphones, definitely leave those down below in the comments. Yeah, guys, thank you for joining me on this quick little review of these headphones. Again, check out all the links in the description below. Subscribe to the channel, hit that bell to be notified whenever I post. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. It is me, djb. Peace out.